What makes the Discover Boating New England Boat Show so special is that there's truly something here for the whole family. From exploring boats and talking with the experts to hands-on activities and fun for all ages, there's something for everyone, no matter where you are in your boating journey. So John is heading back to the 3A Marine Service exhibit to take a closer look at the Robalo dual console lineup built for comfort, versatility, and making memories on the water.
Jack, everyone's talking about the R277, kind of a dual console setup, right?
Yes, this is a brand new boat for the 2026 model year, and if you come on board, we'll show you some of the features. Well, obviously we just came through a nice side door which has a stainless steel ladder to hook on there for swimming purposes.
Right.
It has a nice live well in the back, a fold-away seat.
So easily folded up?
Easily folded up and out of the way. That's correct.
Boy, I'll tell you, everything Robalo does is solid, man.
Yes.
It's like fishing boat quality.
Then on this seat, it's a back-to-back seat that can fit two people, but also it turns into a lounger.
Wow. They thought about everything.
That's pretty nice.
Right.
They have a spacious head with a marine toilet, sink, wash your hand.
This is an awesome day boat.
Yes. Up in the bow, there's a table that you can put here, or drop it down to a fill-in cushion if you want to lounge. And they have armrests for the customer, the passengers up front.
Let me come up with you.
Come on up.
Yeah, everything is solid on this boat. And as it has always been for Robalo, right?
Yes.
I mean, they do it
Yes.
tight and hard. There's nothing loose,
Absolutely.
nothing plasticky about this.
They do a fantastic job, and John, there's so many things that they do that you can't see.
Right.
The quality of the materials.
Perfect stuff, man.
The boat show continues at 3A Marine Service, a trusted name on the southern end of Boston Harbor for more than 50 years.